Okay, I think I'm live. I don't even know. Let's get front run on purpose. I think it's live. I think we're here. Happy Bow Tie Friday. What's up? What's up? So yesterday, I did a presentation that's in the notes of this Twitter, and I messed up. The smart contract was not right, so I wasn't able to actually front run myself. So today we're gonna make a quick fix to that and deploy it and see if we can get front run. I hope that's the plan. Okay, so let's see. Let me switch to this view. There we go. Nice. Okay, so here is the smart contract. And the problem is right here in this reveal function. It was really funny because on the live stream, they were like, don't you like, or do you like Copilot? And I'm like, I love Copilot. And I let Copilot like fill in some of these, and I should not have, because what it did was only let the message.sender do the commit, right? So you could only reveal for your own commits. So it basically made it impossible to front run. And so that caused the problem. And so what we need to do is something like we need to accept an address. Oops. And we need to let anyone be able to reveal for anybody else's commit. So I'll do a commit and I'll have a secret, and I'll give that secret to someone else and they'll submit it. And if everything goes right, they should get the money. But if they get front run, because it's totally front runnable, if someone's watching the mempool, they could take their secret and they could submit it with more gas and they could get the money. So that's what we're trying to discover here. We should get front run. Like, I'm pretty sure there are like general front running bots that will happily take our $100. So we're gonna go find out. We got 5 or 6 Build Guild members chilling backstage. We're gonna ship this thing. I feel like I should tweet this or something. I wonder if like there's like a Twitter. I wish I could like share the link. I don't even know. Wait, maybe I can go to YouTube. If any of y'all backstage find the link for the YouTube, let me know so I can tweet it. I could throw it out there and say, yo, come join us. Okay, so what I have here is, oh yeah, actually it's running right here. I've got the link. Awesome. I can see the live one. Okay, here we go. I gotta go tweet this real quick, right? I gotta tweet this before we ship it. Here we go. Making a tweet real quick. Sorry, you gotta do it. Let's see. Okay, making a tweet real quick. Almost there. Sorry, getting a tweet together. Here, you can spend some time looking at this contract if you're interested. Sorry, I got to get this thing tweeted first. Then we'll go live. I mean, I am live. I'm sorry. I should have tweeted this before. Okay, got the link. Here we go. Pasting it in. There we go. Okay. Okay, here we go. Going to Twitter. All right, there we go. Now we're live on Twitter. Here we go. All right, let's build this thing. So basically there is a reveal, right? So if you weren't here yesterday, I can run through it real quick. We can actually try it out. Basically we wanted to show off that you can prototype quickly with Scaffold ETH. Scaffold ETH is an app building tool, an education tool, but also a tool for shipping something all the way to production. It's not just for prototyping, but it's great for prototyping and trying things out, but also shipping to production. What you have here is a smart contract that we've deployed that has a commit mapping where any address can commit some money behind some secret. Basically, they take a secret, they hash it, they put the hash on chain with a little bit of money. And anybody who submits the secret that ends up hashing to the value they committed, then you get to withdraw those funds. And there's all sorts of holes in this. You could overcommit, you could recommit. There's a bunch of things, but the point is you should be able to get front run. And I want to see on different networks if I do get front run or not, starting with Mainnet Optimism, because we were trying that out yesterday and it failed. So I'm going to go try to get front run right now on Mainnet Optimism, but let's test this out real quick. So I've changed the reveal function. Let me back out a little bit. So it was like this before, where it was just going to reveal for the message.sender. Now let's set it up so basically you will submit someone's address. So you'll submit the address of the committed funds. Okay, let's go ahead and deploy that just locally, and let's test it locally. And that means we'll need to get back into our scaffold ETH config and change this back to Foundry. So we're on our local Anvil chain. And I'll disconnect and go ahead and just connect in with my burner wallet. So I've just got a nice quick burner wallet here for making transactions. Okay, so we have 1 ETH. And what we're going to do is we're going to come up with some secret. Hello world is always a good example. And we're going to take that to bytes, right? I called it hashing yesterday, but it's not actually hashing. It's just taking it to bytes. And then we're going to take those bytes and get the hash of it. So there's a function that's a read function in our smart contract. I don't know what that is. There's a read function in our smart contract called getHash that does the Kachak hash on the address plus the reveal. So it salts it with the address of the smart contract so you don't have hash collisions happening. Okay, so here we go. What we want to do is get the hash for our secret. So we take hello world to bytes. We get the hash of that. Then anybody can open up a commitment. So they paste in the commitment, which is the hash of their secret, and some value, right? We're going to do 0.01 here locally, and we submit that, right? So now we have less money, and there's money in the contract, and anyone can do the reveal. And to reveal, you basically have to put in the address of the person who committed it, and then the secret, okay? This is the secret right here. And if you get all of that right, you should get the money back. But the key here is this transaction is going to land in the mempool. And if anybody's watching the mempool, they can say, this guy's submitting this transaction and the secret, and I can take the secret and I can submit it with more gas than this guy, and I'm going to get money. I just simulated it locally and it worked. So I'm going to try it live in the mempool and front run this guy, right? So I'm probably going to get front run once we go to mainnet, but it looks like it's working. I wish I would have tested that. Really what I should have tested is, can a random address. So watch what this is going to show up burner wallets really well. So I'm going to go to localhost 3000. Notice I get a different address here, right? This new address, let's use this new address to actually do the reveal and make sure a new address can steal it, which is what I didn't test yesterday. So let's say, hey is our password, and we get the commit hash of that. We put that in with 0.01, and then we want to use this dude to reveal it, right? And it'll be this guy's address. So he's going to reveal it as himself, right? But with that guy's address. So this should bring a bunch of money in here. This should bring in 0.1 ETH. Yeah, it did. Totally. Okay. So I don't know. That's good enough. Let's YOLO it. It's going to work. Here we go. We are going to go to mainnet now. So what you have to do in Scaffold ETH is make a small change to your config to point at whatever network you need. Plus you need to deploy to whatever network you want to go to. I've already loaded up the account. If I do a yarn account, it's going to give me the account that I generated by doing a yarn generate, but it already has some optimism in there. I think I put in $10 and it costs 50 cents to deploy the contract. So we're going to deploy another contract, yarn, deploy, optimism. Let's go live. Here we go. Happy Bowtie Friday. Thanks for being here live. Couple people hanging out backstage, couple people hanging out live on the YouTube. I don't usually do live stuff. This is cool. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, for sure. We can share that that YouTube and that Twitter if people want, for sure. Okay, so we have deployed to Optimism, right? We have updated our app. Now that whole app that was just working on localhost is now working on Optimism. Now that we're on a public network, we can switch over to MetaMask. Okay, so I have $400 of real Optimism. There's $0 in the smart contract. I'm going to come up with a secret. Let's see. Something along those lines. Okay, then I'm going to hash it, right? So I take my secret and I hash it. Now, everybody who's watching could basically take that secret and submit it. And it's not even front running. You know the secret. You could get into the app and you could submit it. So you could go straight to the smart contract. I haven't put the app live. We're talking to it on localhost. But if I had this app live, you could basically just get right in here, paste this stuff in, connect your wallet and steal the money. Please don't for a second, because we really want to see it get front run. But technically you could, right? So I'm going to take this commit and I'm going to commit 0.01. So not, I think like $18, right? We're going to commit $18 to start. We're going to make sure this works. Okay, so I'm locking up $18 behind some hash. And if you can submit the string or the bytes 32 that hashes to my secret, you get the money. So let's see what happens when we do this reveal. Okay, so now I'm going to reveal this. So it's going to be my address, not that address. Okay, so as austingriffith.eth, as this reveal, this should give us the money back unless we get front run. Let's see, something, we should see a balance here, right? Unless the money's already gone. Okay, so the $18 is in there. We've got Austin Griffith. Oh, we need the reveal. Oh no, I think it was this. I think that was it, right? I hope that was my password. Let's see. And let's try to reveal it and see what happens. Oh, looks like it's going to work. Here we go. Let's see. Do I get front run? It's sitting in the mempool right now. It's, you know, very quickly though, right? I don't even know how Optimism mempool mechanics work, and that's like what we're here to explore. I know that if we put this on mainnet, it certainly will get front run, but let's prove it, right? Let's find out. So let's go to the contract. Let's click here. And let's see what kind of transactions we have so far. It looks like this one happened 16 seconds ago, in which I was able to submit the secret and get it. Okay, so it looks like it's working. You can submit the secret. I could do something like, here, let's do this. In the demo, I locked up some money. So I'm going to come up with a new secret. I don't even remember what the name of that song was. Oh, there we go. Something like that. Okay, there's my secret. Then I get a commit hash. Then I put the commit on. This time we'll do 0.02. Okay, and I'm going to lock that up into the contract. So now someone could steal this, and let's try it. So anybody, let's see. No, you won't be able to. You'll have to go straight to the contract. Okay, so what we'll need to do is deploy the app. I'm going to do a yarn Vercel YOLO prod, and that's going to ship this app all the way to a live URL. I'll be able to paste the live URL into the show, into the chat. You'll be able to go to the URL and you can actually submit it. So what I should do is actually take this reveal and put it into the code, so then anyone can click the button to get it. Yeah, I should do that. Okay, let's do that. Let's go page index this reveal right here. Oh, but there's going to be two arguments now. You're going to have my address also, which we will put in right here. Okay, that should let you take the 0.02. And then I'm going to stop that and reship it. So I think this should ship the app to a URL where you'll have a button. You can click the button and it will submit the secret that I've pasted in here with my address. And if you're the very first one to do that, you should win you should win like $40 on Optimism. And I'm just going to keep kind of like watching this to see if it disappears early. Technically, anyone could go to here, right? You could go to Etherscan and you go to the contract and you could go, ooh, yeah, I guess I don't have the contract. Wonder if we could do that. Yarn verify -- network optimism. And then I think I post in, I have no idea if this is going to work. Let's see. Could be cool. Nope. Nope. We don't have verify working over on the hard hat side yet. Darn it. Okay. So let's just keep an eye on this. Let's keep an eye on this. See if this goes all the way out. It looks like I'm not going to get front run because that first transaction went through. So I think the next step is probably going to be to put this on mainnet. But let's deploy the app and let's see if someone out there can click the button and claim the $40 just to like prove this is working and I'm not just like stealing my own money. I'd like to see that go. This is probably going to take a little bit. Let's go. Let's go. It's going to be, is this going to be where it's going to go to? I'll paste the app into notes. But the whole goal here is just to show off how you can tinker with scaffold ETH. Yesterday in this video, I kind of went between kind of this page here where I'm tinkering with my I'm calling functions on my contract, and here where I'm writing the contract. I set it up so you could kind of commit some hash on behalf of your address and then get the hash. There's kind of a read function here, and then reveal the hash and the commit and earn some money. And to do that, it took a few tries, right? I had to like write the function, go test it, write this, go test it. I should have tested it more because I definitely screwed some things up and it was only message.sender. You can go watch the video. I think it's in the notes of this video. But here we go. We need to get front run here. So someone out there, this app is about to be built. Someone out there, get ready to click this link and connect a wallet. And hopefully, I think what you'll do is click this reveal button here, and it should work, but I don't know. Then next step, we're going to deploy to Mainnet Ethereum because I don't think we're getting front run on Optimism mainnet. I don't even know how the mempool works on Optimism mainnet. Like it's going to a sequencer, right? I don't know. Maybe you can't get front run. I bet you can. I would love to see an actual front run happen. So we'll have to probably go to mainnet for that, and maybe even put the transaction out with like low gas, just so it really hangs out for a long time, and people have a long time to be like, yo, look at this transaction. Okay, here we go. If you haven't yet, you should be able to go to this URL. I'm gonna paste it in. Here we go. Oh man, I can't. Okay, let's go to ETH build, and let me give you a QR code. Here we go. You'll be able to scan this QR code. There we go. Yikes. How do I make it smaller? There we go. There we go. There is the QR code for the URL. If you wanted to shoot that, it should take you to Next.js ETA 341.versell. And that should land you here. You should be able to connect your wallet, switch it to Optimism, and click this reveal button. And it should give you a transaction that should let you steal the money. Oh, wait, I think it's gone. Okay, someone has done it. Good job. Good job, someone out there. Let's see who the, ooh, all right. There's a few transactions here. Let's see. So we've got 3 different folks who look like they've all clicked the button. And sadly, you probably paid. Yep, you guys paid 8 cents and didn't get any money, right? Let's see. This guy paid 8 cents. This guy paid 8 cents, 9 cents. And it looks like this guy got the money. Good. Congratulations to this person. Let's see if we've got an ENS address or something. Nope, I don't know who they are. Someone out there. Good job. Okay. So, but you didn't get front run, right? If we go look at this transaction, well, I mean, I don't think we got front run. Let's try it for a little bit more value and see if we do get front run. Let's do one more. Okay, so I need to probably have some like secret so you guys can't type it in so fast. So I know that no one's going to have this secret, I think. And I'm going to get the hash of that. So my secret is this, my hash is this. I'm guessing there's no one that can get this. I'm going to do 0.1, right? So this is more money. This is like $180. Let's see if someone will steal $180. Yep, $184 going in with this secret. Don't lose it. Whatever you do, take that, put it here, and the reveal will be here. Okay, so now what I want to do is send this into the mempool and have it like hang out a little bit, right? Can I like change the gas and make it a little cooler? Yeah, let's go low. Yeah. I have no idea what that's going to do on Optimism. Well, we're turning the gas down. We're slowing this transaction down. We're floating it to the mempool, and we're saying, hey, if anybody can take these same transaction arguments and submit them with a little bit more gas, you can steal the money. And they still didn't. It looks like we got the money. I got the money back, right? Internal transactions, 12 seconds ago, 0.1 ETH coming back to me. Okay, so I don't think we're getting front run on Mainnet or on Mainnet Optimism. I think it's time to try Mainnet Ethereum, where we certainly will get front run, right? Okay, here we go. Let's try it out. Let me check and make sure there's no like questions in chat or anything. Hit me up if you have any questions. Okay, it's time to take this thing to Mainnet. Yarn account, right? We're going to need some Mainnet ETH in here. So let's grab that. How do you send Mainnet ETH around? I do it with a Punk wallet. Check out punkwallet.io, built with scaffold ETH, an open source burner wallet made for quick transactions. Here we go. About to send some Mainnet Ethereum. Uh-oh, my internet's not working. Kind of need that. Here we go. Come on. Uh-oh. Feel like my RPC server for Punk Wallet is down or something. That's not good. Okay, I guess we'll send Mainnet Ethereum using MetaMask, the old standard. Okay, let's make sure we're on Mainnet here. And let's send this dude, what's it going to cost? Like 20 bucks to deploy this? We'll find out. All right, so we're sending our deployer account. Oh, I think I was. Yep, we're sending our deployer account 20 bucks. And then we'll do a yarn deploy mainnet, I think, and we'll see what happens. Here we go. All right. Is it out there yet? I'm just going to start being impatient and trying to ship this, and let's see what happens. Wah, wah. Yep, not enough money. Okay, now the 20 bucks cleared. Let's see. Let's try it again. It might be more expensive. Oh no, is 20 bucks not enough? What do we have in this contract? I mean, it's not that big. Dang. All right, I got to send more money in. All right, let's try it again. Send another 20 bucks, I guess. Didn't copy the address right. Yarn account, get this address. Send another 0.1 ETH probably. Let's send two just in case. Let's be safe. Let's get this thing deployed. We're going aggressive with it. Let's go. Ship it. We got to get this thing deployed. All right, Dixon from the chat, that's awesome. So there's a sequencer. Basically, there's a sequencer, and unless the sequencer front runs you, you're not going to get front run. So, like, you're trusting this centralized sequencer not to front run you, but basically that's probably what's going to happen. And this kind of brings up the whole idea of there's a centralized sequencer, and that kind of brings up other things about decentralization and stuff. But we're on the way, right? We're on the way. Let's put this out on mainnet and see what happens. Please deploy to mainnet. What? So it's going to cost, maybe the money's not there yet. Yeah, 0.01. Yeah, we have plenty now, right? It's saying we don't have enough, but I think we do. not sure why. Estimated amount required. I don't know what's happening here. Yarn account, is it not deploying from this account? Oh, it still only has 0.01. Yo. Oh man, I sent $0.02. Gosh dang it. Gosh dang it. Ah, all right. A little bit more. We need a little bit more ETH in here. I'm sorry. Here we go. We need 0. And not USD. We need, there we go, 0.008. That's going to be enough. That's going to get us there. Sorry, y'all. Gotta figure this out. What is the purpose of using Punk Wallet? So Punk Wallet is a nice burner wallet. So you can open Punk Wallet up in your phone and have an address right away. Watch this. Just like the burner wallets in Scaffold ETH, you can pull up a Punk Wallet in an incognito window and have an account on any network, right? So I could quickly pull this up on Optimism and go to Optimism DAI and like send this dude. Here we go. I'm going to go to Optimism. I don't know why my phone internet is not working. Oh, wait. Will it load? It's loading, but it's not loading the amounts. Like I have mainnet DAI and it's like not loading it. I wonder, oh man, did I like not pay my Infura bill or something? I wonder what RPC it's using. There we go. Here we go. So I'm going to hit send. I'm going to scan this dude and notice like you see my punk and you see that punk. We see that purple guy's head, right? And I'm going to say, send this dude $2. Let's make it $5. And I'm going to hit send, right? And now I'm sending 5 DAI. I have 69,420. Now I'm going to send 5 of those dollars over to this guy. I hope. Looks like it went. It hasn't updated, but it went. Let's see if I reload here. There we go. There's $5. Okay, so here you go. Here is... oh, you don't have any ETH though. You're going to need a little mainnet ETH to send this out, but watch this. So this account right here, I can reveal it. Okay. So I'm about to reveal a private key. You're not supposed to do this normally. This is a burner wallet. You still shouldn't be passing around private keys or showing off private keys, but I'm trying to do this as an example. So here is the private key. This is hidden in the Punk wallet. You can go to reveal private key and it's going to show you this. Notice it's like the dude's picture with some keys around it. If you take your phone and you point it at this, you're going to have this wallet in your phone now. Now be careful because other people have added this wallet too. You need to delete it right away. You don't want to leave this laying around on your phone because you could end up sending money to it and then someone would immediately sweep it because this account has been on a lot of other people's phones, right? So you have to understand the implications of a burner wallet. But once you have this burner wallet, this is a really easy way to back it up. You can store it somewhere else. All you have to do is scan this to have the wallet. There's $5 on that, but you're going to have to send a little bit of Optimism ETH in as gas to get that $5 to send somewhere else. So that's a whole new thing, and I'm going to close it right now so I don't have it anymore. And that's how incognito windows work. But Punk Wallet is really handy because you can have this wallet on your phone. You can use this scanner to scan someone's face. If you scan someone, it's going to show their face here, and it's this really nice kind of like in person when you're sending money around. It's very visceral, and you can see the person's identity. But it's private key and local storage, fast, quick, lots of different networks, and it's Wallet Connect up front. So if you go to Uniswap and you hit Wallet Connect and it gives you that QR code, you can just scan it with this scanner and it will connect into the Uniswap as your Punk wallet, which is super handy when it's on your phone. Okay, let's get this thing on mainnet, man. Let's deploy this. We've got to be ready. Yarn deploy mainnet, please work. Yeah, we're going to mainnet. It's going. Okay, and remember the other thing we need to do is over in our config, we need to change this to mainnet. Now, by making that one change, our entire app is on mainnet now. And if we go look at this, we'll see that any address that you see, any address component now goes to mainnet. If I click this address, it's going to be our smart contract on Etherscan on mainnet, right? On mainnet Etherscan. Okay, so let's get this app going. Okay, now we're going to create some secret. Now I want it to be a secret that y'all can't just like front run. So I'm just going to grab this as my secret. Hopefully you can't see all of that in time, but that's the secret. So here's the hash. Okay. So then I'm going to commit that hash with 0.03. What did we say? Oh man, 6. I think that's about $100, isn't it? Let's see. We'll find out. And we put this on chain. Yep, $110 going on chain behind the secret that I just pasted in. Okay, so I'm going to pay $3. I'm going to lock up $118. And all you have to do is submit the secret to pull that $118 out. Now, right now, no one should really know the secret. This has been all localhost. I've kept it locally. Like, it's live, and you guys could like retype this in, I guess, if you wanted to. But technically, it'd be very hard to know this secret. It hasn't gone on chain anywhere other than the fact that I'm live streaming it and you can see it. This secret is secret still. And so eventually what you'll do is you'll paste this secret in here, and you'll paste in my address, atg.eth, who committed this, and anybody can submit it, right? And anybody can see it in the mempool and could take these arguments and resubmit it with higher gas, okay? So I absolutely should get front run right now. And I'm gonna go slow, right? Let's take our time. Here we go. Am I gonna get front run for $100? We're about to find out. Here's the payoff. Let's see what happens. Let's watch the transaction if we were watching the mempool, it has landed in the mempool at this point, and it doesn't have very aggressive gas, so it's probably going to sit in the mempool for a while. So if anybody is just looking through the mempool, you could have the slowest bot and just saying, okay, here's the call data this person wants to send. Here's the call data that they're going to send with these arguments. It's their address and then some secret. Here's the secret right here. You can see it right there, right? So there's the secret. And so all they have to do is submit this exact thing, but from their address with extra gas, and they should get the money. Okay, so did we get front run? It looks like the transaction went through. It doesn't look like any value moved. How do I, let's see. Okay, let's go look at, we should see another we should see another transaction on the smart contract if I got front run. Ooh, I can't tell, but let's see. So, I don't see the value going. Okay, so first of all, the money is not in the contract anymore, right? Yes, okay. And did it come back to me or not? I'm having a hard time being able to even tell from Etherscan. Let's look at this closer. Okay, so there's 3 transactions in Etherscan. Here's where the money comes in. Here's where the money goes out. Here's the money going out right here, this transaction. Oh, what happened there? Yep. Oh, yes. I think that's what happened. Yeah. Okay, look at that. So the builder got paid some, and the front runner got paid, right? Okay, so somebody definitely front run. I definitely got front ran. All right. What is the past tense of front run? Front ran? I don't know. But it looks like I'm not exactly sure how to read this, but I would say there was, so there's my transaction that went a minute ago, right? And then there's this other internal transaction that went at the same time, right? Yeah, look at this is at 35 seconds. This is at 23 seconds. Okay, so this guy executed just before this guy. Okay, and if we look at it, it's from this address going to our smart contract, telling it to transfer the 0.36 to this address. And then from there, it splits out to the builder and the attacker. One of these is the attacker. One of these is the MEV bot. But we absolutely got front run. Someone got our money. I'm not sure. I'm guessing it's this person right here, right? If this person got a bulk of the money, you're welcome, Patrick R. I'm glad for your front running. Good job. I don't think you were watching this. I wonder if I could do one more with like I'm pretty sure that secret was secret. I'm pretty sure we just got front run on mainnet. I think we did it. I think we're calling this one a victory. If you want to check out Scaffold ETH, you can Google it. It's easy to find. Check out Scaffold ETH too. It's a good way to play around. Like you've seen today, we were able to build an app. And I built the app yesterday in 30 minutes and deployed it, and it was not quite right. So we got it today. We updated it, the reveal function, and then we put it on mainnet Optimism, and we didn't get front run. But then we put it on mainnet Ethereum, and we definitely did get front run. And they got our $100. All right, awesome. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for chilling. It's been a lot of fun. Thanks to the folks hanging out in the backstage. Happy Bowtie Friday, y'all. Thanks for coming along. This has been a lot of fun. See you later. Hearts, hearts, hearts. Bye.